Is software as important as it used to be? Back a couple years ago, software definitely was important. It's a big thing. It still is. But biggest change in that is the development of web apps and such. See, sure, now today we've got products like Google Docs to basically do the exact same thing as we could in Office or iWork or any other programs like that, or OpenOffice. You can still get the same things done with the web app and the software, but the upside of using the web app is, see, I can start a project. Let's say I'm starting a presentation in Google Docs on a netbook, my netbook, and so then I decide to go work on a different computer. Now all I have to do is log into my account and then open it up. It's there. But on the flip side, if I was using software, see, I have to get like a USB drive or CDs, or and then save the document on the CD or whatever storage device I would be using, and then go to the other computer and plug in the storage device and then open the file, save it, and then eventually, maybe if I ever go back to that other netbook, then I'd have to plug in that storage device once again and then open it up. And basically, it's a really big pain to do something like that. And that's one of the advantages of using a web app. Now, if you don't want to watch the video form of this, you can also check out our article I wrote on it. It is right here. The link to this page here will be in the description. But definitely, I think today web apps are definitely more important, and software is definitely not as important as it used to be. But software is still important, and we still use various programs for various different things. Sure, I myself do use web apps like Google Docs, but I still use Office when I need to, for something maybe a bit more professional or something, then I might tend to use Office. Like, don't get me wrong, Google Docs has got many of those features that Office has, and another thing to mention is most web apps are free, and that is definitely a big upside. You don't have to be spending money. All you need is an internet connection and a device that can connect to the internet, and that is definitely a great thing. I can start a project in one computer and then go to another one and finish it or make changes and so on without having to copy and move files between my different computers, and that is definitely a great thing to be able to do. So yeah, definitely the bottom line is, for most of us, software is definitely not as important as it used to be. But if you're going to be using one computer for everything, and let's say it's a portable computer like a laptop, maybe you're not too concerned with web apps. And another thing with web applications is a lot of them you can collaborate with others easily, while with software, like, some of it can do it for sure, but not all of it can. And being on the internet, it's definitely a lot better, and it doesn't take up any space on your computer either. It's all on the cloud, the hard drive in the sky type thing. So it doesn't take up any space on your computer either, and that is definitely another thing good about web apps as well. So choice is yours. What do you think? Do you think software is as important as it used to be, or does it even matter to you? Leave a comment in the description. Check on our website if you like this video. Like it, share it on Facebook, Twitter, and whatnot. And that is about it for this video. See you in the next video.